Can you tell me about yourself, please?
Yes, my name is Funati. I'm 12 years old and I'm in class Discover 4.
And where do you live? Where you come from?
I'm come from Vietnam and I'm living in Hanoi.
And what's your hobbies?
My hobby is watch TV and play video game with my little sister.
Nice. And can you please look at here and tell me what you know about the viruses?
I know that the viruses, they are really small and there are a lot of type of viruses. And they can infect hosts like people, animals, or plants. And there are bad viruses and good viruses.
Okay, can you tell me, can you see them?
No,
So,
we need to use the microscope to see them.
That's nice. So, can you tell me what do they cause?
Right.
They cause,
It causes
like when you have virus, what it cause you? Bad health, good health.
bad viruses will give up bad health, but good viruses maybe can give up good health.
Nice, great answer. Okay, what can you tell me about the influenza viruses?
The influenza viruses make us have a flu, and it causes to get the infection in our nose, lungs, and throat.
That's nice. And can you tell me what symptoms do we get when we are affected? Infected. Yeah. What symptoms? What do you feel first?
We will feel tired and thirsty.
Okay. Okay. How can they get into our body?
It can give it when we touch or turn or play so much with people who get a flu, I think the influenza viruses will come in our body.
Okay. And can you tell me how can we protect ourselves from the viruses?
I think we should drink medicines and do more exercise.
Great job. Great answer. Okay. Next question I've got for you. How do our bodies protect us from viruses?
I think that white blood cells will travel through blood and these cells they will they will looking for the viruses, and when they find them, the immune system will attack them.
Okay, and what does your skin do?
What?
What does your skin do? Skin. This is skin. Here.
Yes. I think it can. It's
Okay, what does your nose hair do?
nose.
Nose hair.
Nose hair is hair to breathe in and breathe out.
The nose hair.
Nose hair.
Hair. The nose hair. What does it? How does it? Like what do they do for you?
It's have smell.
Okay, next one. What does the mucus do?
Well, cause it's have our nose, so it's like a half water and it don't not so
Dry.
yes.
Okay, and what does your stomach do?
Stomach.
Mm.
When
It's reduce the acid to fight the
fight.
it's reduce the acids to kill and to fight the viruses. Okay, now next one. Can you tell me what system is this?
Respiratory system.
Okay, can you tell me the parts of respiratory system?
This type.
Yeah, this parts. What's the first part?
This nose.
Nose. How about this?
Is trachea. It's lungs.
How about this? Yeah.
Diaphragm.
Okay. Very good. Now, what about this system? What's called this system?
It's circulatory system.
Circulatory system. And can you tell me the parts of this?
This is
The red one is
the red one is arteries.
artery, and the blue one
Is veins.
And what about this one here?
Is a heart.
And the one down there?
Is capillary.
That's amazing. Okay, how do they work together?
Respiratory and circulatory system. They help our body have oxygen, and they remove carbon dioxide.
That's good. Okay. Let's go for the next one. Can you please give me your opinion? What's your opinion about exercising and doing sports?
I think in sport and exercising is same because it's help our body we healthier and our health is better, and also it help us don't be fatter.
Okay, so do you think we should exercise more?
Yes.
Why?
I think yes, because we exercise more, our health is healthier.
Be healthier, okay. Okay, now here, how can we live a healthy and happy life?
How can we live healthy life when we do exercise, and we have a happy life when we know that we will do exercise and eat not so much fast food.
Okay, thank you so much, and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.